What does the word court usually refer to in legal English? Options are A. A sports area. B. A place where legal cases are heard. C. A government office. D. A meeting room. The correct answer is a place where legal cases are heard. What is a law? Options are A. A personal opinion. B. A written rule that must be followed. C. A business agreement. D. A type of punishment. The correct answer is a written rule that must be followed. Which term refers to a person who brings a case to court? Options are A. Witness. B. Judge. C. Plaintiff. D. Officer. The correct answer is plaintiff. What does evidence mean in a legal case? Options are A. Personal feelings. B. Proof used to support a claim. C. A final decision. D. Legal advice. The correct answer is proof used to support a claim. What is the role of a lawyer? Options are A. To decide the case. B. To record court meetings. C. To give legal advice and represent clients. D. To guard the courtroom. The correct answer is to give legal advice and represent clients. What does verdict mean? Options are A. A legal question. B. A written law. C. A final decision in a case. D. A court building. The correct answer is a final decision in a case. What is a trial? Options are A. A police investigation. B. A legal process to examine a case. C. A punishment. D. A written agreement. The correct answer is a legal process to examine a case. What does testimony refer to? Options are A. Written laws. B. Legal fees. C. Statements given as evidence. D. Court orders. The correct answer is statements given as evidence. What is justice in legal terms? Options are A. Personal success. B. Fair treatment according to law. C. Fast decisions. D. Strict punishment. The correct answer is fair treatment according to law. What does appeal mean in a legal context? Options are A. Accepting a decision. B. Closing a case. C. Asking for a review of a decision. D. Writing a new law. The correct answer is asking for a review of a decision.